We'll guide you through how to install Bluetooth drivers on Windows 10. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get right into this. First, check if you have 64-bit or 32-bit Windows. Open File Explorer, right-click this PC, and press Properties. Under System Type, you'll see your version. Mine's 64-bit. Next, open your browser. In the search bar, type Intel Bluetooth driver, press Enter, and click the top website. On the site, you'll see Windows 10 64-bit drivers at the top and 32-bit below. Since I'm 64-bit, I'll pick the top one. Scroll down, accept the license agreement, and the download starts automatically. Once it's done, close your browser, open File Explorer, and go to Downloads. Double-click the driver file to open it. Press Next, wait for it to process, then press Next again. Check the box to agree to the license, then press Next. Choose Typical Installation for this video, then press Install. When it's done, press Finish. That's it for installing Bluetooth drivers. I recommend restarting your PC to apply changes. After, click the bottom left search bar, type Bluetooth, and open the top app. You'll see a Bluetooth switch. Turn it on, press the plus sign, and pick your device to connect. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.